Welcome to Funders Academy. This is going to be your opportunity to learn how to prospect and cold call with specific emphasis on the merchant cash advance or alternative financing industry. What our goal is by this is to get you to be proficient in prospecting and cold calling, but more importantly, submitting applications that are qualified and can get some real sizable deals on the table. This is going to tee you up to have a wonderful opportunity to make some really big commissions. I've had reps in the industry make over $100,000 just in one deal. I myself have made even more than that in just one deal. With that being said, we feel like we're riding a tidal wave of opportunity within the alternative finance industry and merchant cash advance. We look at this industry like real estate prior to 2008. We look at it like penny stocks prior to the Wolf of Wall Street, and we look at it like personal loans prior to usury laws on a state-by-state basis being implemented. By completing this course, not only will you have the knowledge and the know-how to be able to help small businesses acquire financing so they can grow, but you'll also have the ability to have a flexible work-life balance, working from your house, and being able to make high-ticket commissions that are going to exceed 5 figures a month. So why trust in someone like me? I have owned companies that have funded over $450 million into the alternative financing space. Out of that $450 million, tens of millions of dollars per year are funded with our money on balance sheet in-house. That's that syndication opportunity. I'm going to give you the framework of how I've trained all of my representatives. We've had over 500 representatives work for us across the country and several different office locations, and we know that we have a formula that can help you succeed.